Starting a dropshipping business doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, it's one of the most low-cost, low-risk ways to jump into the world of e-commerce. You don't need inventory, and you don't need a warehouse. But to succeed, you've got to follow the right steps from the beginning. In this video, we're going to walk you through the 6 essential steps that will get your dropshipping business up and running the right way, whether you're looking to build a side hustle or scale into a full-time business. Let's dive straight in. The first step to launching a successful dropshipping business is choosing your niche. This is the foundation of your entire store. A niche is a specific category or industry that you'll focus on. But here's the thing, don't just pick any niche. You need something that balances passion and profitability. Why is this so important? Choosing a niche that's too broad will make it hard to stand out. Instead, focus on something specific where you can offer unique products. Start by thinking about what you're passionate about or have experience in. Then, make sure the niche is profitable by doing a little market research. Tools like Google Trends or SEMrush can help you see what's trending and what's not. Also, be mindful of competition. Too much competition can make it hard to break through, so aim for a niche that has demand but isn't oversaturated. For example, eco-friendly products, fitness gear, or pet supplies are some popular niches, but find a unique angle that will set you apart. Check out our other video about why being niche-specific is crucial for a profitable and sustainable dropshipping business. You can find the link in the description of this video. Now that you've chosen your niche, step 2 is crucial. Research your competition. Why? Because understanding your competition will help you find your place in the market. It will show you what's working for them, what their customers love, and where they might be falling short. Start by visiting the websites of your top competitors. Look at their product offerings, pricing strategies, and the type of content they're using for marketing. Are they relying heavily on social media ads, influencer marketing, or SEO? Pay close attention to the kind of customer reviews they get. What do people love about their products? And what complaints keep coming up? These insights can help you avoid common mistakes and spot gaps where you can offer something better. Use tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush to track their keywords, backlinks, and traffic sources. This will give you a behind-the-scenes look at what's driving their success. You're not just copying them, you're learning from their wins and losses to refine your own approach. Now that you've scoped out the competition, it's time to find reliable suppliers. This is the key to this business. Since you're not holding any inventory, your supplier is responsible for delivering the products to your customers. A bad supplier can damage your reputation with low-quality products or slow shipping, so choose wisely. There are a few ways to find suppliers. Platforms like AppScenic connect you with a wide range of suppliers, but don't just pick the first one you find. Order samples from several suppliers to check product quality and shipping times. You'll want to work with suppliers that are reliable, have fast delivery, and can provide high-quality products consistently. It's also smart to look for suppliers with warehouses in the regions you're targeting. Faster shipping means happier customers, and happier customers mean more repeat business. Another thing to consider is their return policies. Make sure your suppliers offer clear, reasonable return options so you're not stuck handling unhappy customers alone. Once your suppliers are lined up, it's time to bring your vision to life by building your online store. This is where your customers will experience your brand, so it needs to be professional, easy to navigate, and mobile-friendly. Start by choosing an e-commerce platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Wix. Shopify is especially popular for beginners because it's user-friendly and has tons of features that make setting up a store quick and easy. After that, choose a domain name that reflects your niche and brand identity. It should be short, memorable, and easy to spell. When designing your store, use a clean, simple layout that directs attention to your products. High-quality images are essential here, along with clear, detailed product descriptions. Make sure you set up multiple payment gateways so customers have options during checkout. Also, configure your shipping rates based on order value or weight, and always offer tracking whenever possible. Don't forget to optimize your store for SEO by using relevant keywords in your product titles, descriptions, and meta tags. This will help your store rank higher in search engine results and drive more organic traffic. If you want to learn more about Shopify versus WooCommerce and which one is best for you, then watch our video about these two e-commerce platforms. Find the link in the description below. Before you launch, you need to make sure your business is legally set up. Registering your dropshipping business not only protects your personal assets, but also builds credibility with suppliers and customers. In most cases, if you're in the US or want to dropship in the US, you'll want to set up your business as an LLC, limited liability company. This structure protects your personal assets from any business liabilities, like debts or legal issues. To get started, choose a business name that aligns with your brand and niche. Then, file for an LLC or other business entity with your state's Secretary of State. It's a straightforward process, and in many states, it can be done online in a few minutes. You'll also need to get a tax identification number, TIN, which allows you to handle taxes for your business. After that, open a business bank account to keep your finances separate and make tax season a lot easier. If you're not based in the US, the process may vary slightly depending on your location. For example, if you're in the UK, you can register as a sole trader or form a limited company, LTD, both of which offer different levels of liability protection and tax benefits. In the EU, registration processes differ by country, but you'll need to ensure compliance with local VAT rules. Watch our videos about how to start dropshipping in the UK and EU. You can find the links in the description of this video. If you're a non-US citizen and want to dropship in the US, you can still form an LLC, even without a physical presence in the US. The same applies if you're in the UK and want to dropship internationally. You'll need to comply with the business laws of both your home country and the countries you're selling to. Consider consulting with a local business expert to navigate the legal and tax requirements of your specific region. Are you interested in dropshipping in the USA as a non-US citizen? Then watch our video about how to set up a company there for your dropshipping business. Find the link in the description below. Finally, you're ready to launch your store. But remember, launching is just the beginning. You need to drive traffic to your site and get those first sales rolling in. One of the best ways to do that is through social media marketing. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are great for showcasing your products, especially if they're visually appealing. Start by creating business accounts on these platforms and posting regularly about your products. That said, if you're a beginner, we always recommend starting with Google Ads, specifically Google Shopping Ads. Why? Because Google Ads targets an audience with the highest buy intent. People are actively searching for products and solutions, which means they're already closer to making a purchase decision. By doing keyword research, you can easily identify which niches or products have demand and fine-tune your ads accordingly. On the other hand, platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram are better suited for viral, impulsive buys and typically work well for low-ticket or trendy products. While these social platforms can generate lots of visibility, Google Shopping Ads are ideal for those who want a more targeted approach where potential customers are already searching for what you offer. Influencer marketing can also be a game changer. Partnering with influencers in your niche gives you access to their followers and adds credibility to your brand. Email marketing is another powerful tool. Build your email list by offering discounts or freebies for first-time subscribers. Then, send out regular newsletters, promotions, and abandoned cart reminders to keep your customers engaged and coming back. Lastly, don't forget about SEO. Optimize your product pages, blog posts, and landing pages with long-tail keywords to improve your visibility on search engines. Now that you've got the blueprint, you're just 6 steps away from launching your own dropshipping business. Remember, it all starts with picking the right niche, then doing your homework on the competition. From there, finding reliable suppliers and building a seamless online store will set you up for success. Once you've taken care of the legal side by registering your business, all that's left is to hit that launch button and start marketing. Launching might seem like a big step, but the hardest part is taking that first leap. Stay consistent, learn from your customers, and always keep evolving your strategy. Your dropshipping business could be just one product away from taking off. Ready to take your dropshipping business to the next level? Stay ahead of the curve with the latest strategies, tools, and AI-driven tech insights. Follow along for more tips to help you build and scale your store.